Yes, we're back.
We're here at the grand opening event for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure.
It's the dedication ceremony. All the stars will be here. We'll have the video and the first look at the ride.
Woo!
Definitely time that we see some magical creatures, don't you think?
Yeah, but we may have a small problem with all these crates and boxes in the way. I'm not sure how we'll get inside.
I'll tell you what, I've got the perfect solution. Now, do you remember Professor Flitwick's charms class? Yes? And how about the spell for levitation or to make objects fly? It's, of course, Wingardium Leviosa. Now, I'm going to need your help. So remember your swish and flick. And after 3, 1, 2, 3, Wingardium Leviosa!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure.
If you're not sure how comfortable you're going to be on the ride, there's a test seat that you can use. And all you do is pull there until you get the green light. Green light means you're good to go. Now, the sidecar is pretty roomy, but let's give the motorbike a try too. Oh, okay, there's a lot more room on this one. So if you're not comfortable on the sidecar, go ahead and try the motorbike itself. Green light, good to go.
And that was Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure in all its glory. It was astounding. It was amazing. It was
Totally magical.